mandazi kesho. I didn't know how slow the charcoal stove is. Yeah, the fire is keeping me up. I have to wait and wait and wait some more. It's different. Mandazi kesho. Leo ni kesho. I think I should put all of them in. What do y'all think? I made a dough, and I think putting all of them in is the way to go, because I'm gonna be rolling something new. These are just a few left, and they will fit in by default. Shapeless mandazi. They're shapeless indeed. Shapeless mandazi. We let them cook and then we'll devour. I think they become harder. They did become harder. Oh boy, I am doomed. No, I am not, but no, they sound like crackadoo. They do. Oh boy, my mandashi are interesting today. I think I'm gonna take them out precisely. Putting them here. Let us see oil in there. Yo, these look tough. The fun in cooking. Yep, very fun. Oh boy, don't drop. Are they still called mandashi if they are crackadoo? I don't know. We will find out. Oh boy, they can't fit. Bruh. They look like wafers but fried. Fried wafers. Look at that. These are tough. I can't even laugh at it. I would just laugh because what? I think I put them there longer than they should. Okay, let's go. Put the rest of these in there. Bruh. That's stuck. Hola. Hola. Okie-dokie. Wagadugu. Wagadugu-dugu. They are getting sticky. I have to definitely scoop. Okay, scoop, scoop. Okay, voila. These are bigger on purpose. Now they are supposed to do what this is doing and get swollen very fast. Yep, that's better. I think I left them aerated longer, the other ones, and so it turned out a little tougher. And you know what? These are better. Positivity. I know. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Look at that. Those are gonna be amazing. Look at that. Ooh, these are better. Let's try the tough ones and we'll find out what went wrong. Bro, these are tough. It is up there, crunchy and nice. Yep, let's go. I have some more. This is all left in here. I'm gonna do the rest of it. Voila. Sounds like a plan. I don't know why those went tough. Tough. These are better. Look at that. Better because they actually puffed up. Puffed. Absolutely. Do you get a time to try? You have to live away. You have to get you gotta have to try. I can sing sometimes. I am a soloist, but my singing is top notch. Hype woman, top notch. Alrighty, we go in. I just made this. I figured the bird shapes are better, so I'll just go around it. See, that's kind of rectangle. So we got our squares. I'll go in the middle. And then in the middle, you see these are big. I'm cutting according to the shape remaining so that we don't have small ones, so small. Cut. This chopping board is tiny. Alrighty. Those look okay. Like this, like that, like this, like that. Alrighty. Look at that. Ooh. Voila. Meanwhile, we got this, and my tray is oiled. These are restaurant grade. Can you see these? They look like restaurant grade. Yep, they do. They go well with the cinnamon. You put cinnamon on top after doing this. Better pastries. Don't they look like better pastries? Like the ones you get at La Mevidi. What's the word? La Mevida, perhaps. La Medivida. Can you correct my French, please? There used to be a show called La Medivida. And I'm trying to figure out what it means. Many years later. Let me vida. These are definitely restaurant style pastries. Just add cinnamon on top. Yep, I am the cook or the pastry maker. I wonder what they use theirs for. Do they fry them? Can you share if you can? If you know what they do with their pastries? I think they fry them and then they add on with sugar. Sugar is paramount. Absolutely. This is French restaurant grade. Yep. Signed by me. Yep, it is. Absolutely ready. One more time. Yep. Let's go. Why are you laughing? I'm the director. You gotta direct this. Ah, sticky. Okay, these are the rest of them, and these look better than I thought. I think we will name my pastry shop very soon. Whoa, look at that. Those are big. Big as me, I guess. Look at that. Oh, they turned out great. Actually, better than great. I guess that's how they make theirs as well. At Chez, I don't know, Chez what? Chez Pastria? Absolutely. Chez Pastria. Absolutely. Look at that. Oh. The sugar, yes please. I think that's what pastries scream like. They'd be like, sugar, yes please. Look at this big one. Oh man. You get one and done. I guess the bigger ones look better. I guess the bigger the better. Let's make this up. Bitter. Look at that. They are turning out good. And they got layers like the ones I see. Look what I did. I think I've tested them more than enough times, but I want to show you. This is what it looks like. These are more tender than the first one. The first batch was a try and error. However, I feel like these are way better. Those look better. Look at that. Look at those layers. I think it's the baking powder. It does work wonders. And I'll put 3 things: flour, baking powder, sugar. Of course, of course, sugar. Did I put too many? We'll find out. Gotta turn these up and then make them ready. That was my favorite. Big banja. A good day. I am paying too much attention. I am. Too much attention. I think they're kind of ready. What you sick? The 60 already. Most of them are ready. Just a few turns around. Good goes around and around and around. Probably my favorite commercial. Probably. Well, they look really beautiful according to my view over here. What y'all think? Will you devour? Devour a few mandashis? They turned out better than pastry today. Better. I guess we are ready for the market. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. This one is taking its time. I'll leave it alone. Absolutely stunning. One more for the rods. One more for the rods. Beautifully done. Beautiful. We are all done. We got a bunch of them. Yalla, welcome, welcome, welcome to try my mandashi. Oh man, these look good. Yep, that's what's up. Bon appetit.